Just a quick look around here at the Fiesta in Aeropuerto, and today's the Polanco area of Mexico City. They advised me is like the Beverly Hills of Mexico, so this should be very interesting, very high end. Des, you have anything to say? We're off to Polanco. So, were you surprised at Roma Norte yesterday?
Roma Norte was quite nice.
Very beautiful, yeah. It was like Lisbon or Madrid. Just arrived in Polanco in the back of a Uber. I think it's about 30 bucks from where we're staying up by the airport. That's not bad. Boy, what a difference between this and the downtown. This is definitely, like they said, Beverly Hills. Oh yeah. Complete with valet parking outside these hotels.
Why don't we walk up that way? That takes us towards where we want to go.
I got a Lucha pizza down there. Some of the restaurants. People got a Krispy Kreme. Gotta try one of those. They're deadly. Rental bikes. You never see that in the city central. I have to find the service is absolutely impeccable. All those ice cream, I'll have to get some ice cream later on. Have a look down the street. And after a nice healthy breakfast, yeah right, we're gonna have some Krispy Kremes. Oh, look at that.
Tough decision. Look at the soccer ball.
Oh, the soccer ball, yeah.
Take a picture of it.
I got it, yeah. Alright, Krispy Kreme. I haven't had one of these in years. Pretty good. Not bad. So this is the high-end shopping street right here in Polanco. And you can see there's a, right there, there's a Breitling store. It tells you you're in a pretty ritzy area.
Look at
Kohan shoes.
The case and the
walkable. You want to take a picture of that cat?
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now. What is that, Desmond? That's a Navitimer or?
Abby, Super Abby.
Yeah,
Super
yeah.
Abby.
Is that the latest for this year, 2026?
Yes.
Okay.
Is this Super Avenger?
No. Super Avenger is like this, and this is Super Abby.
Super Avi.
Aviator.
Aviator, okay.
Robbie, yeah. Excellent.
32,000 US.
Oh, that's 32,000. Is it 30,000 US?
32.
US, and our price includes taxes. Carbon fiber.
So you
So
can
look
get
at that.
there's
That's
the price
your-
tag.
Yes.
So the price is that
10,000
10,000.
US.
US. Yes.
Very good.
Other prices is in US dollars.
Yeah.
It's luminescent.
Yes.
Crocodilia Desmond, eh? How about that? You can't buy that in North America. Here's a nice gold 18 karat 42,000 chronomat. Mexican charro beer.
Charro, the Mexican brand, yes.
I'm gonna come up here with the Breitling
Come to
bar.
Mexico City.
See Rush.
Rush, the banda, la música de banda Rush.
You like?
Juega el toque este personaje, sí, le gustamos mucho.
All right.
All right, so we just finished up at the Breitling store.
Where do you want to go?
Why don't we walk up the street, grab a coffee and a pastry? Look at that Porsche, Mexico City. I never know this is Mexico City, I tell you. Hackett, Boss, Gucci, Colhan. Surprised they don't have Rolex. I'm sure they have Rolex somewhere.
Yeah, I want to see it now.
Tree-lined streets as advertised. Alright, we were over there at Brightening Store in Polanco, high-end area of the Beverly Hills of Mexico, they tell me. And now we're going to check out Colhan and then maybe go for lunch. What a contrast though between this area and El Centro. This is more like what you would expect from like a downtown Montreal, downtown Toronto, or downtown anywhere USA. Might be Mexico, but the prices are no different. 6,000 Mexican pesos, which is probably like 500 US. Look, they even have crosswalks here. Bicycle lanes. Little bars at the windows. Nobody hawking pirated goods on the side of the road. It's just like any town USA. Beautiful shady day here too.
Anywhere that doesn't have a fucking TV.
Yeah, that stupid soccer. I'm freaking sick of that stuff. A goal every 5 seconds. Great frozen yogurt. Chocolatier. Now we're down where a lot of cafes are. What over here?
Yeah, this looks like a good spot. You want to sit in there?
Sure. Some nice boutique hotels down here. Lots of cafes. Boca Grande, this place here is like $100 a meal.
This place?
Oh, that other place. That's really nice right there.
This isn't part of Boca Grande, is it?
I think it is. Manta, oh no, maybe not. Manta Kitchen? Manta Kitchen. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Niagara Lake right here. By the Prince of Wales restaurant. Even in the middle of wealth, you still got some poverty. Begging. Contrast. Huge contrast between the wealth and the poverty. If you're poor, you're poor. You'll never be rich. Unless you're a footballer. Alright, we stopped for a little bite at this restaurant here. Hola amigo, ¿cómo está? Bien. A nice restaurant. Polanco. Nice little lunch cafe, nice music. No World Cup game on, thank God. A beautiful little area. I like it. Hugo. To the brisket, correct? That looks pretty good.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
699 pesos, caballero.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Was
Yeah.
that 700 pesos?
Yes. It's like about 40 US, I would say.
Does it take much time? Does it take much time to make?
If I what?
Mucho tiempo hacerla?
Aquí?
Okay.
desde noviembre.
Here's our ribeyes. That was quick. Just gonna pour butter on it. Really good butter, isn't it? That's not butter, that's tequila. Wow, that's good.
Más al centro, bro.
Caesar salad. Potatoes. The Caesar salad right there?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, we're just looking Caesar salad.
Insurance would allow them to be.
Probably not. So we got more tickets to see Rush here tonight. First, we got to get our ribeye steak in.
You said we have 4 tickets?
Skyline of Mexico City.